치마. Okay, definitely. 하나, 둘, 셋. 김치. 김치. 치즈. 치즈. Hello, guys. I'm special host Joy of the K-crossword Quiz Show, Episode 22. Finally, our Joy of Friday is here. Wow, 기다렸어. Okay, then it is time for introducing today's topic. Then let me tell you the topic of today. Today's topic is nature, 자연. Yeah. Wow, Triandini. Wow, beautiful landscape full of snow background. Yeah, I'm a Snow White tour guide. Oh, 자연. Yeah, you got it. Hi, LOHM. Are you ready for achieving Amazon gift card? And, obtaining more information related to the Korean culture? Okay, you got it. Then, wow, let's begin the first quiz. Please show us the first quiz. Here we go. Wow, our first horizontal number 1 quiz is composed of sound hint. Okay, what kind of sound relates to nature will it be? Let's listen to the sound first. Oh my god, oh, it's too chilly. There's someone leave the door open. Oh my god. Okay. Did you catch the answer? Yeah, just hearing the sound. And furthermore, this word was used in Baker's new song. 치마. 살랑살랑보다 기분 좋은 날에 바라바라바라 이 시원한 치마 바람. Yeah, please repeat after me. 치마. Okay, definitely. And this word is also included in the nickname of a viewer who actively participated in the crossword. Oh, windy. Hello. Yeah, it's pleasure to see you guys again. Ooh, windy. Ooh. Okay, finally. Oh, I did it. Congratulations, Triandini. The answer to the first question is 바람, wind. And our nickname of the who participated actively is windy 바람. Wow, 바람이 여기 있습니다. Yeah, windy 바람. Your comment is really cute. Then, shall we move on to our third question? Shall we? Okay, your long-awaited special Joy console is appearing. Yeah, Joy console showing hints. Will come up. Hold on a minute, please. Yeah! This keyword is something that flows after rain. 비가 오고 나서 뜨는 거예요. That has what? Variation of color. Yeah, colorful things. Ooh, can you find out a master clue for reaching the answer? Let me give you one more crucial hint. And it has 7 colors, right? 7 colors, and you know exactly what color it is, right? 빨주, 노초, 파란보. Yeah. Joy calls us back. Joy calls us back. Back. Yeah. The question is tricky, but thank you. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's very kind of you. Thank you, 혜진이. HM. Yeah. The actual answer was 무지개. Hi, hello, HM. Okay. So the answer to the third question is rainbow, 무지개. Yeah. Woo! Then, shall we go to the next stage? Bye-bye. Wow! Da-da-da-da-da-da. Yeah, it is our consonant hint to the 6th question. 치읓, 시옷, 지읒, 이응, 지읒. And this word refers to a person who avoids meat and only eat food made from plant. 채소만 먹어요. 채식만 해요. And the first two letters, 치어, 시오, refers to ingredients from plants. And the last three letters, 치읒, 이응, 지읒, indicates a person who believes and follows a specific claims and notion. Yeah, our K birdie. Cross the line and oh, thank you. Wow, okay. Oh, wow. Aguses, thank you. You did well. Congratulations, Aguse. The answer to this sixth question is 자식, Woo! Yeah, wow. How did you know this difficult word in Korea? Now let's go to the next quiz. Show me the seventh quiz. Bye-bye. Wow, wow. Ooh, okay. It is our image quiz for the vertical number 4 question. And the correct answer to this quiz is the name of an island located in the south certain part of Korea. Well, bla, yeah, 3 letters, has 3 letters. And it is the largest island in Korea and has the largest population. And the statue you see in the picture is the island's mascot, 돌하르방. 따라라라라라 떠나요, 둘이서 모든 걸 훌훌 날리고 때리라. 제주도, 제주도. Congratulations, South Korea. Okay, the answer to the 7th question is 제주도. 한라봉. 고기국수 is your recommendation? 제주 흑돼지. Wow. You guys are talking about 제주 흑돼지, especially for special recipe, especially for in Jeju Island. I'm very starving and I want to try it. Today's episode was so full of excitement. And okay, guys, it's time for saying goodbye. Then see you guys again next week on Friday at 2 p.m. on our Koreanet YouTube channel with more interesting topics. Then see you next week. Bye bye.